Hello students, we are now going to begin with problem set 9, that is word problems based on addition. In the previous lecture we have seen the examples on addition and 10 questions we did in problem set 8. These were the 10 questions of problem set 8. Now based on addition we have to solve some word problems. Word problems means what? Some day-to-day life situation will be given to you and some information will be given to you. Based on that information you have to do some calculation and find out the answer. Okay, so let's begin with our first word problem. In a certain election 13,47,048 women and 14,29,638 men cast their votes. Okay, election, you have heard the word election. So in that election these many women means female candidates, ladies, okay, औरतें, और men means gents. Okay, so इतने वुमेन और इतने मैन ने उनका वोट कास्ट किया. कास्ट वोट मीन्स वॉट? वोट देना, वोट करना. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मैनी वोट्स वेर पोल्ड ऑल टुगेदर. So whenever you see the word all together, that means you have to do the addition. Okay, understood? Addition we have to perform here. These many women and these many men cast their votes. इतने लोगों ने वोटिंग किया है इलेक्शन में. So we have to find out that how many votes were polled all together. Okay, polled means what? In election, when we go for voting, there is a machine, polling machine. In that machine, we have to press a button for casting our votes, and our votes are recorded in that machine. Okay, so that is called as polling. So first what we will write? Votes cast by women, this much. Votes cast by men, this much. Since it is a word problem, you have to write a little bit about the numbers. What is indicated by this number, that also we have to write down. So votes cast by women and votes cast by men. Then we have to do addition. 8 plus 8, 16. 1, 6, 16. So 6 here, 1 carry. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so no carry. 0 plus 6, 6. 9 plus 7, 16. Again 6 here, 1 carry. Now 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 4, 7 and 1 plus 1, 2. So our answer is 27,76,686 votes were polled altogether. Okay. So here they have not shown you the carry. Okay. So you can do the carry part in your mind also. And if you are not used to that, then you can show it with pencil above the next place also. Understood the first question? Now second one. What is the sum? Now what is the meaning of this word sum? Sum means answer of addition. Okay. Sum means answer of addition. So we have to perform addition here. Of which number? Largest and smallest 6-digit numbers. So whenever we are asked largest number 6-digit, then write 9 6 times. If 5-digit number is asked, then write 9 5 times. So like this we can find the largest numbers. And smallest means 6-digit numbers means 1 and 5 zeros. If 5-digit number is asked, then 1 and 4 zeros. Like that we can make the smallest number. So largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. And we have to find the sum of these two numbers. Sum means answer of addition. So write down both the numbers. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Again 9, 9 and 9 plus 1, 10. So answer is 10,99,999. Understood? Next one. Surekha Tai bought a tractor for rupees 8,07,957. Tractor she bought. Bought means what? She went to the market and she gave money and she brought that tractor. Means कोई भी चीज़ खरीदना उसको बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में bought. So she bought a tractor. Tractor, you know, which is used in farms. It is used by the farmers in the farms. And a thresher. Thresher means it is a machine which is used for cutting the crops. Okay, it separates the crops from the plants. Okay, crop को अपने plant से ये machine separate करती है. So a tractor for this much rupees and a thresher for 32,609 rupees. How much money did she spend altogether? मनी स्पेंड करना मतलब खर्चा करना एंड ऑल टुगेदर मीन्स टोटल ऑफ दिस एंड दिस. सो वेन एवर यू सी द वर्ड ऑल टुगेदर वॉट यू हैव टू डू एडिशन. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द प्राइस ऑफ ट्रैक्टर 8,07,957. This is a 6-digit number. And price of thresher, it is a 5-digit number. So writing in reverse order 9, 0, 6, 2 and 3. This place here will be empty. Don't write anything in this place. So start the addition. 9 plus 7, 16, carry 1. 5 plus 1 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 6, 15. 5 here, 1 carry. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 and 2, 10. So 0 here, 1 carry. Again 3 plus 1, 4. And here this place is empty. So 8 will be written as it is. So what is the answer? How much money she spent? Surekha Tai spent 8,40,566 rupees altogether. Understood? Next one. A textile mill produced 17,24,938 meters of cloth last year. Okay, textile mill means what? कपड़ा बनाने की फैक्ट्री. ओके, मिल मीन्स फैक्ट्री. तो एक फैक्ट्री में कितना कपड़ा बना लास्ट ईयर? 17,24,938 meters and 23,47,056 meters this year. What was the total production for the 2 years? 2 years total production we have to find out. Means दोनों साल का total production. So whenever you see the word total means we have to do addition. So again in words we have to write down cloth produced last year. Last year production in meter. Cloth produced this year. This year production in meter. And we have to do the total. So 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 here 1 carry. Now 3 plus 1 4. 4 and 5 9. 9 plus 0 9. 4 and 7 11. So 1 here and 1 carry. Now 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7. So no carry. 7 plus 3 10. 0 here 1 carry. Now 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4. So how much cloth was produced totally in the 2 years? 40,71,994 meter cloth was produced in 2 years. Next one, last one. The state government gave rupees 34,62,950 worth of computers and rupees 3,26,578 worth of TV sets to the school. What is the total amount it spent on these equipments? Okay, so government they gave computers of rupees 34,62,950 to some schools. गवर्नमेंट ने स्कूल्स को कंप्यूटर और टीवी सेट्स दिए, बांटे. तो कंप्यूटर्स जितने उन्होंने कंप्यूटर्स दिए स्कूल्स को उसका प्राइस कितना था सारे कंप्यूटर्स का मिला के? 34,62,950 rupees. And the worth of all the TV sets was 3,26,578. So we have to find out the total amount spent on this equipment. So again the word total is there, means we have to do addition. So amount which was spent on computers, this much, and amount spent on TV sets, this much. Again, this is a 7-digit number, this is a 6-digit number. So 6-digit number you have to write from units place in reverse order. So this place will be blank. 10 lakh place here will be blank. Okay, don't write like this 3462940 and 3265778. This method is wrong. Okay, so let's start the addition. 0 plus 8, 8. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 5 carry 1. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7. And 3 as it is. So the total amount spent by the government was 37,89,518. Okay, so these 5 word problems you have to solve in your notebooks. So I will send you a picture of this also, and you have to solve all the 5 word problems in your notebook. Understood? Next lecture we are going to start with subtraction. Thank you.